Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be just pretty much detailing the inside of the Ford Ranger. That's a light detail. We're not going to go like in depth or anything like that. Just mainly going to bump over the surface, try to some of the marks along the doors, and like the dashboard needs to be cleaned up. Get some of the dust off. You see right here, one moment. Stuff like that, you know, just that dust, especially right here where you can see your fingerprint left off. Just pretty much go over that, clean it up. I did go ahead and vacuum the vehicle out. So you see here, try to clean this little area. It's been a minute since I actually cleaned the did like a good wipe down. Go ahead and go a little spray and stuff in certain areas. Then we're gonna do this dash too. So I'm gonna wait and spray the dash. Now what I'm doing is, right now the weather is pretty pretty neutral, not too hot, not cold or anything like that. So this is the perfect time to come out here and clean the vehicle up. Now if you're not going to be doing it when the weather's cool, I learned don't do it in the sunlight, because that's when you start having residue issues and things like that. So I do it in the shade. What in the world? Not sure what that is. So what I learned is, with this black interior, it shows up everything. It looks nice when it's clean, but it shows up everything. So that's one of the cons of the interior being all black. So what I do usually, like when I vacuum the vehicle, I'll go ahead and put the vacuum right here in this area, and we'll vacuum this area up as well to get some of those crumbs and dust or whatever is in the vehicle. Now this vehicle is used as a family vehicle, so if you got kids, you're gonna have extra to clean up. And this is just, like I said, a light general wipe down, nothing major. It's got that pretty much looking well. Not sure what the heck that is. Something. That's a little spot. It won't come off either. Alright, so let's move to the center part right here. Now, of course, you don't want to kind of try not to just spray directly on the buttons or where it's open at, but a little bit around that will get it done. Like I said, the sun is not out, so I don't have any bright lighting, so bear with me on that. It's basically, you know, you get a lot of touching going on, you want to clean that stuff up real well. Let's see. I'm going to move on up to the top right here. So as you see, I got that going on. I'm just gonna damp the towel, do a quick wipe over that. But now, even though the interior is dark, it does clean up pretty well. I mean, I wouldn't say pretty smoothly. I wouldn't say easy. You know, you wipe it off, whatnot. Cleans up pretty good. Uh-oh. Lights flashing. Hit the wrong button. That's the first time I ever hit that button. Alright. See, can we get, yeah, see all that? And you know, so when the camera's back here, whatnot, a lot of that you won't even see. But, you know, we can see it when we get close. Me personally, like to keep my truck clean. I do notice a lot of people like to take theirs off-road, so that's one reason you won't see me take this one off-road. Not a new vehicle, not for me. But you know, if it was an older vehicle that I wasn't worried about really keeping clean, then I would, you know, hey, take it off-road. So I can tell you now that dirt and dust and mud, it gets everywhere. All right, so let's see how that came out. Of course, I gotta get the tools and stuff to clean off in the vents. That'd be for another video when we're doing like a deep clean. Let's see. Quick little wipe down. I do have something I'm gonna coat the dashboard with. It's not too, that'd be real good for the dash. Give it a nice clean look, make it look, you know, that's a hint of gloss, and it's gonna give it a nice smell too, so that's gonna be great. All right, so that's how this part came out. I'll do this door panel. Go ahead and so for the windows, I got squeegee. Makes it pretty simple. Now I just remember I might need to use that before I use the before I clean the dash, because once you clean the dash, then you try to clean the windows, mess the dash right back up. Might say that for another day then. These other ones. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. It's a little light clean on the Ford Ranger. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.